Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is my money track expense and budget application. So before that I'm going to introduce to you about this app. So you can see the app rating of the 4.7 out of 5 and 20k reviews. It means 20,000 people write something about this app. We'll see later. And the size of the app only 5.4 megabyte. It's too light, and 500,000 plus already download this app or using this app. So like daily expense tracker, personal finance manager, and budgeting application, simple and easy. If you really want to know how it works, and you can see how much money you spend every month on which way or sector, you can set the goal. Okay, so like you can see clothing, broadband bill, shopping bills. So you can set the money and you will see like on which day you utilize, you can set this. Okay, and like interactive chart. So this is really amazing chart. It's really good visualized and good user interface. And budget planning and initiative interface, and dark theme. You can also use a dark theme. Expense flow, so how much money you spends, and you can relate it to your earning. Okay, so expense so far, income so far. So you can see it's your income and it's your expense. And like you can add your card, cash, investment, saving, wallet. Okay, it's really easy to use. And expense categories, you can see which categories you are going to spend in upcoming days or at present. You can see here. And if you really want to know about more about this app, then go here. You can see MyMoney is a personal money manager and budget app, and there are many features available. It's offline too. And if you really want to check the ratings and reviews, and go here, and you can see positive reviews. Many people say it is good, and also negative reviews. So what you need to do is simply tap on install button. It takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.